Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Batman step by step in an easy way. But guys, if you want to join something that you like, yo, comment below in the comment box. And now guys, let's go. But never forget, God bless you. And if you want to send me your drawing, you can do it on my Facebook. I know, it's on Spanish, but doesn't matter. And now guys, let's go for the second time. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, that helps me a lot.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot,